Ahmedabad, Gujarat, the top doctors visited the civil hospital to give expert advice to the doctors there on the COVID-19 treatment. This step has been taken in its wake of the rising number of cases that we are witnessing in the state of Gujarat, and Gujarat being one of the most critical states when it comes to the surge in the number of cases. And the latest update coming in as to how there was a team from AIIMS that have arrived in Gujarat today, specifically in Ahmedabad, to take stock of the situation on ground. Let's go across to my colleague Priyanka, who has more details on this. So Priyanka, we do know that the top doctors have visited a civil hospital to give their expert advice to the doctors there on the COVID-19 treatment.
Well, absolutely. What we have seen since morning is that the AIIMS director has come and has had a meeting with the Principal Secretary of Health, Jayanti Ravi, and several other civil hospital doctors. And there are going to be some kind of curative measures, curative actions that will be decided and brainstormed upon in this meeting, and after which they will also be addressing the Chief Minister Vijay Rupani and briefing him about the situation on the ground and suggesting the curative measures that they would have discussed in the meeting. As of now, all of the delegation is also speaking to the resident doctors of the civil hospital, trying to understand their situation, trying to understand how they're dealing with the patients as well. Because you see, the number of people who have tested positive in Ahmedabad is increasing by the day, and the percentage with which they were increasing was alarming in the beginning. It is, however, slowing down a little bit, but this is still a huge cause of concern if the government does not take any kind of action. And that's perhaps why is we see the AIIMS delegation who has arrived here and has had a meeting with the doctors to understand the situation on the ground and then brainstorm about the ideas, and then, of course, the brief Chief Minister so that they can be implemented as soon as possible. Of course, they will be visiting several other hospitals as well and taking stock of the situation there as well. So what we see right now is that a meeting is going on with the resident doctors to understand what is really the situation on the ground.
All right. Thank you so much, Priyanka, for getting us an update. In fact, we'll take a look at this report also sent by my colleague Priyanka on the top AIIMS doctors visit in Gujarat.
AIIMS chief has arrived in the civil hospital Ahmedabad, and what we'd like to show you is a meeting that is being carried out, a meeting with the Principal Secretary of Health, Jayanti Ravi, along with several officials of the civil hospital itself and also the government of Gujarat, who will be meeting with the AIIMS chief and then talking about several loopholes or the several shortcomings of the government of Gujarat as to how they were not able to deal with this COVID-19 crisis. And they will be also talking to the doctors who are involved in treating the patients of COVID-19. After this, the AIIMS chief will also be meeting with several other government officials in Gandhinagar, ultimately then meeting the Chief Minister at 5 p.m., after which there will be a media briefing as to what kind of discussions were made with the government of Gujarat, the officials, all of that, and all of this will be discussed in the meeting itself. This meeting that is going to be culminated very, very soon, and after that, of course, the AIIMS chief will be going to Gandhinagar.